Chandi je. Koi sama chara. Wa ma bisi ro khawna parbo muye.
Moi ko nai ni khadi. Apai the traditional ki wala na.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great and I'm back with another video. I'm here in Dzükou Retreat. So peaceful. No matter what you say about this place, I think we will run short of words. I mean, there are a greater place than this, but this place has its own kind of beauty and then something that is very unique. There are 8 cottages here. One is VIP and the rest are normal cottages. So to come here and be here for a night, this single cottage will cost you around 3,500 during the off season. Our season time, when I say season, I mean the hornbill season. It will cost you around 6,000. Busy off time, you can come here 3,500. So expensive, reasonable, cheap. So it differs on the people and then someone budget. So if your budget is under 3,500 and you're looking for a place to just relax, chill, and spend time alone or with your friends and families, I think this is also a perfect place. So for me personally, I love this place and everything about this is very good. You can find this page also on Instagram DBS. So if you want to check out and find more details, you can go check out their Instagram profile, which I'll leave in the description box. Then check the description box kami kita na lot information kami by and contact concept that I go. So if you are wondering the price to book this place for picnic, already 3,500 during the off season. VIP room it was 4,500 I guess, and season time the price will vary. So depending on whether it's season or off season, there's different price list. So if you are planning to come here with your friends and families for a picnic, you can book it with 5,000 rupees per day. 5,000. Like I said, reasonable. If you pay 5,000, you will get the kitchen or whole and also the cafe. So access group for 5,000. There's free firewood and enough water, like unlimited supply of water. So don't worry about water. So if you're planning to come here, please do visit this place and you won't regret it. So it's the hall now not exactly hall, only shade seat and then it bonfire so Korean there's a place for you to come and enjoy this bonfire together with your friends. If it is a cold day, really funny over perfect. And it is problem for me. It's a good place. Price they have expensive no promote I just love this place and that's what I do. I explore places and I share it with you guys. So it's a new place. So I think it's a good privilege, opportunity for me also to share this wonderful place to you guys, so that you guys can come here with your friends and have a time of any time na enjoy gole jaga bishi bhal ase, bishi peaceful. And then the last thing is toilets kami bishi bhal ase, toilet bi ase. And then aro apni ani tu jaga rent lula so islero cottages kam pura de bathroom attached ase. And yeah, so I hope you guys love this place. Ina na parila aiwi once na pani na gira ge aiwi, because the road is very slippery, suka thake tena aiwi 4x4 andar aram bai jo pani gira dinibi, but for two wheelers pani gira tena olop too risky ase. And it's a good place. Over muja ase ba jakare ni mote ase mui always still in mui weight gira try ga ase. Subscribe then. Mara view ori balare kina view bal lagje
Bal bir şey balası.
kina tira
Overbal.
kuj bajna view ra oh na kina kuj na to ambe shi kuj bajje buena
If you
buena
want to spend a quality time, kita gila balwa.
hoina mara view ra amne angi view ta dikhawali first mangelop saudi
Yeah, mga enjoy quality.
wow wow Ajiro shilero Dzükou Retreat la commercial garden dana very peaceful ayude mui kwase aro thank you so much for watching till the end. We'll stay here for a while and then we'll be heading back home. So thank you so much. If you love what I do, please share it with your friends, your families, and if you love this place, come and pay a visit and have a good time with your friends and families. Thank you so much. Please continue to support this channel and don't forget to subscribe.